All right, we've come to the end of the very first IndyPy WebConf virtual conference. I want to thank all of you for joining us today. It's been an interesting experience doing this. I don't think we could have done it without our sponsors. So I want to thank 6 Feet Up. We do Python and cloud consulting. We put on awesome conferences and awesome meetups. So make sure you check us out with IndyPy and Indy AWS. I want to thank our platinum sponsor, the Plone Foundation. So if you haven't checked out the Plone content management system, I highly recommend you go do that. They are also an awesome community. So if you love Python people and Python community, I think you will also enjoy the Plone community. I want to thank our silver sponsor, Viva, our media sponsor, WFYI, our fiscal sponsor of the Python Software Foundation. If you were present through the presentations today, or even if you weren't and maybe watching them later, we will be sending out a survey link. Actually, we'll be posting it to Slack right now. So if you get a link for a survey, please take our survey. That's the only way we can improve these things. This was definitely our first run of a virtual conference, and so we'd love any feedback whatsoever to make this a better experience. Anything we can do to improve upon this, we would love to do more of these things, or at least experiment and try and do more of these things. We can't make this happen though without the participation from the audience like you guys, who are all very awesome. So we appreciate you folks all showing up today and being a part of our very first IndyPy web virtual conference. If you enjoy the virtual part of the conference, but really would love to have that human interaction, we are going to have the IndyPy Pi Data Conference Indy, October 11th, 2019. So coming up here in a little over a month at the Regents Tower downtown Indianapolis. The call for papers is still open. We're looking for 4 more talks specifically. So if you want to submit, there is a paper call link, or you can just go to indypy.org. There is a link off of that, and Mary Beth will also put that into a wrap-up email for you guys to get that all set up. We're looking for topics on data science, data analytics, security, IoT, AI, machine learning. If you're interested in participating and actually coming to a conference where we all meet in the meet space, please join us and go to indypy.org. There is a link on the main page to the PyData conference. Otherwise, thank you all for participating. It has been a heck of a lot of fun. Thank you for doing our very first virtual conference. Check out indypy.org for upcoming events and conferences, and make sure you check and follow Twitter for IndyPy as well. I want to thank you all. I want to thank everybody involved. I want to thank Mary Beth. I want to thank all the people who fed and kept us all happy and working throughout the day. We definitely couldn't have done it without